Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a cute 1966 Ford Mustang, factory Nightmist blue metallic. It's got the factory two-tone pony interior. Cool little car with a neat little history. I bought the car locally. But it looks like up until about 2017, this car was actually up in the state of Washington. Very nice car, good solid straight body. Car was originally restored about 2013, 2014, and then the guy that we actually just bought it from just freshened the car up. But factory color combination. It has a late model running gear, and it's got a late model 302 engine in it. It's got a Tremec 5-speed, upgraded power rack and pinion steering, upgraded disc brakes. The rear end's been all, it's got traction bar rear with a 380 traction lock gear in it. So neat car. Like I say, updated running gear. Still got the look, but still an old, still you can see it's got a little ding there in the trim. It's got the look of the old car, but a little bit more modern running gear in it. Pretty paint. Car's got nice paint on it. Again, chrome and stainless is nice. Couple little things you can pick. It's got all the GT fog lights. It's got the GT rear valence, but it's a factory C-code car, so it's not a real GT. Sorry, it's a little check mark there. If you see that sometimes, that lets me know my guys have got it in and checked it out. Pretty car though, got a good look to it. Like I say, neat little history to it. There's some resto receipts, like I say, just some paperwork back, I think about the mid-80s on this car. And of course these Mustangs are just so popular, about to 50% ratio. See a little touch-up mark there. These cars going overseas, we ship a ton of them over there. A little touch-up mark there. Nice and flat down the sides. Brand new rubber on the rear. I just replaced those. Rubber on the front was fine. It's got 17-inch Cobra wheels on it. Again, you can see the GT exhaust rear valence with the tips. Good looking car. Again, those are 17-inch Cobra wheels. Upgraded power front disc brakes. Factory 289 C-code car. Now it has a late model 302 engine in it with GT40 heads, Edelbrock, Holley 4-barrel. Edelbrock aluminum intake, does have headers. You can see they've got an HEI distributor in it. Power rack and pinion steering, power front disc brakes with a Tremec 5-speed manual trans behind it. So fun little setup for the running gear. Pretty paint. This is a pretty color on this car. A-pillar chrome's nice. Looks like factory mirrors. You can pick at those a little bit. Those are definitely new. There's your door tag. I love the two-tone pony interior in it. They put the rally pack gauges in it as well. Again, bucket seats. That center console, I think that's just something you can set and it comes right out. I love the pony interior. Headliner's nice, little nick there in your steering wheel. Again, it's got the rally pack gauges, 99,758. That's your original miles. I honestly don't know the actual miles on the car. AM radio. Dual exhaust. Again, he's got some, I think they're Scott Drake traction bars in the rear with a leaf spring rear suspension. 380 traction lock gear. I think there's a receipt in there for the engine, the rear end. That's all the paperwork. I believe this is your original paint right there, guys, which I thought was pretty cool. Matter of fact, this is all original in here too. I thought that was neat. See how clean that car is. We didn't mess with this at all, left it alone. I thought that was pretty cool. Car's just got a good look to it. It's just clean underneath. Can't say it was a, you know, rotisserie done car, but a nice driver. That two-tone pony's cool. Sill plates are new. Seats have definitely been redone. And I think this is, yeah, you can just lift that out if you don't want that. But it's nice for an armrest and a cup holder. Nothing crazy, little cam to it. Tach works, no on the clock. Looks like all your other gauges work, holding good oil pressure. Parking brake, I think the parking brake, yeah, parking brake does work. Backup lights work. Radio works. Blower motor? Yep, it works. Fog lights work, yep. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Pretty car. The car's got a good look to it. Sets up a little bit. A lot of traffic.